This video. So my name is Shazwan. I would like to explain and give you some idea about how to use this online system for our conference. So hope you enjoy this video, and if you got any problems, please contact us for more details and help. So before we begin, I just want to let you know this is our official link for our ILKKM Medical and Allied Health Graduate Conference 2019 that will be held in our college on 22 until 23 of August this week. So for those who are already paid participants and also you already registered online via our system, you are going to receive an official email that indicate the process that you need to persuade in order to understand the system that we created for you so that you can access um, your slides, presentations, your certificate, your evaluation form, and so on. So to begin with, you go to the login for participant or anywhere here that indicate the words in terms of login for participant. You are going to have this particular overview, so you need to enter your username. So as default, your username will be your mobile phone number registered with our system. In this case, I'm going to enter my registered mobile number, for example, and our password. Please bear in mind, ladies and gentlemen, your default password for overall participant will be graduate 2019 and apostrophe over there, tanda seru, graduate 2019 tanda seru. So you do it, sorry again, graduate 2019 and then tanda seru, and then I'm click login, and the system will ask me to change my password. So I'm going to change the password. So remember, your password will need to have at least a number, word, and those words also need to have a uppercase and also symbol. Okay, make sure your new password is similar with your retype password. Save change. After you click that one, automatically you are going to have log into the system. You can have the tour if you want to see, or you can just end the tour. So this is the course or the overview of the details that you already being booked into or being assigned into. In this case, you are already being assigned in this ILKKM Medical and Allied Health Graduate Conference. So as a start, please go to the announcement to read the latest announcement that already shared with you, how to access all the material in this platform. You can read it. You can interact with our system because it's operated 24/7. And then I just want to let you know that this system is available for you for the next 60 days. After that, it's automatically going to be withdrawn. So if you want to have your slides presentation, you want to download the conference proceeding and so on, please do it so during 60 days of this usage of the system. Okay, for example, the tentative program that's already been uploaded for you is already indicated here. So you can refer to the program schedule. You can have a chit chat with the teacher that being set to organize this one. So you have a day 1, day 1.5 means that after afternoon evening session will be discussed somewhere around this row. This one also same. So I hope that you enjoy this explanation and got some idea about how to log in your system. Remember, our website is event.ilkkm.org.my. Go to login for participant and then enter your username. Your username as default is your registered mobile phone number or any number that you registered in our system with the 0 in front of it. And then the password will be the default password, which is in this case the default password will be graduate G is the big capital letter, graduate 2019, and then tanda seru at the end of your password here. So hope you enjoy this explanation, and don't forget to try it. This system is only available one day before you enter the conference. So that's mean on the 21st of August you can already see this arrangement of the conference. So perhaps during that day there are some finalizing stage of the event, and then you can have it officially on 22 and 23 of August 2019. See you there. Bye bye. Assalamualaikum.